Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna share with you another simple and easy recipe of mine, which is in my own version of braised teriyaki pork ribs. So let's start cooking. So first of all guys, I have this 1.2 kg of pork ribs and I cut it this size, at least 3 inches long. And yeah, we're gonna start braising this. I need some oil, at least 1 tablespoon of oil. I have this medium size of onion and I cut very thinly sliced, and then 3 bay leaves and 2 cloves of garlic. I chop it. So now we're gonna saute all this, yeah. We put in our meat, yeah. Okay, 1 teaspoon of salt and a dash of pepper. And I have this 500 ml of water. Yeah, so we have to put inside. So we cover this and let it boil. So guys, I boiled this for 1 hour and 20 minutes and it's become like that already. I'm gonna season this with the rest of the seasoning, yeah. So first of all, I have this mirin. Using mirin, yeah. 2 tablespoons of mirin. This one is the sake. I need 2 tablespoons also. 2 tablespoons of this. Soya sauce, 1 tablespoon. And brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of dark sauce. Yeah, so now what we're gonna do is we try to stir this, but we have to be very gentle because I don't want the meat to be fall off from the bone, because now it's very soft already, yeah. So we just do it very gently, stir it very gently. So this is it guys, I done cooking this. After putting the seasoning, I simmer again for 20 minutes and now it's done, yeah. So I'm gonna dish it out, yeah. So guys, this is the final result of my braised teriyaki pork ribs, and I will try with it how it is taste like. It's very soft and it's not salty. I tell you, it's worth trying this recipe. Thank you guys for watching my video, and I hope you like and share and also subscribe for more upcoming recipe. Bye guys!